Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all with good greetings. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I will tell you about the auto pen, the magical pen, singing machine auto pen. That's called the auto pen. So first of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, and also to support me. So let's begin. I will tell you about the auto pen. An auto pen or singing machine is a device used for automatic singing of a signature or autograph. Many celebrities, politicians, and public figures receive hundreds of letters a day, many of which request a personal reply. This leads to a situation in which either the individual must artificially reproduce their signature or heavily limit the number of recipients who receive a personal response, given the exact verisimilitude to the real hand signature. The use of the auto pen allows for a small degree of wishful thinking and plausible deniability as to whether a famous photo autograph is real or reproduced. Reduce their signature or heavily limit the number of recipients who receive a personal response, given the exact verisimilitude to the real hand signature. The use of auto pen allows for a small degree of wishful thinking and plausible deniability as to whether a famous autograph is real or reproduced, thus increasing the perception of the personal value of the signature by the recipient. However, known or suspected auto pen signatures are also vastly less valuable as photographic collectibles, legitimate hand signed documents from individuals known to also use an auto pen usually require a verification and provenance to be considered valid. That's the old picture of that pen, auto pen. The early auto pens used a plastic matrix of the original signature, which is the channel cut into an engraved plate in the shape of a wheel. Stylus driven by an electric motor followed the x and y axis of a profile or a shape engraved in the plate, which is why it is called a matrix. The stylus is mechanically connected to an arm which can hold almost any common writing instrument. So the favorite pen and ink can be used to suggest authenticity. The auto pen signature is made when with even pressure and intention in the paper, which is how these machines are distinguishable from original handwriting, where the pressure varies. Modern day auto pens use a signature smart card or USB flash drive to store signatures and phrases instead of the plastic matrices. In addition, certain models can replicate entire pages of writing once a custom font has been created in a user handwriting. The first signature duplicating machine were developed by an Englishman named John Isaac Hackins. Hackins received a United States patent for his device in 1803. In 1804, Thomas Jefferson began using the device extensively. This early device was known at the time as a polygraph, an abstract version of the pantograph, and bears little resemblance to today's auto pens in design or operation. The auto pen, called the robot pen, was developed in the 1930s and became commercially available in 1937. Used as a storage unit device, similar in principle to how vinyl records store information to record a signer's signature. A small segment of the was about auto pen. I told you that auto pen is a magical pen. And the Hawkins made this in the United States therefore it's a valuable thing for them. And in the Pakistan there is a launch in the Pakistanis. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, and also do support me. Khuda Hafiz.